Hello everyone, myself Vedant, and today is November 5, and let's start with a quick crypto analysis for today. And if we see on the Bitcoin, firstly, Bitcoin uh, has closed a good bearish candle right here, and if you can see, it's bigger than the previous bearish candle, showing massive bearishness in the markets. And also, if I show you, this is our demand zone, and it just tapped this demand zone and found uh, and showed some resistance over here, and found a wick as well, and showing some rejections. And if we see on 4 hour, it forms a really good reversal candle on 4 hour, showing bullishness on this demand zone. So if some pattern kind of forms here for about double bottom something, we could plan some trades right here for buys, and it could be somewhat more risky, as I already said that the markets are really bearish right now. So you could avoid buying, or you could plan a buy trade if only you could afford these risky trades. So on 4 hour time frame, the markets are bearish, and this is the our supply zone, extreme one, and this could be a and you can mark this as the supply zone, uh last supply zone right here. And on hourly time frame, as if we see, it's also bearish, and this is the supply zone we already marked, and this is the that's the zone we marked yesterday or day before for the sales, but market didn't tap or just went down, showing a really bearish trend. So that's it for Bitcoin. Let's head on to Ethereum. Ethereum just broke its demand zone right here, and just formed a really big bearish candle as Bitcoin, and showed some rejection from below, and it just broke this demand zone. So we are waiting if it sustains below or tries to reverse back to upside. Uh, if you see on 4 hour time frame, it's uh, forming a good reversal candle, and it might go up in the next 4 hour candle, like somewhat like this, which could possibly show the bullishness on these levels, and the markets are following this demand zone, that it could possibly go up from right here. Otherwise, we would be planning sales. Uh, our supply zone for now is this, and this is the extreme supply zone. And on hourly time frame, if you see, this is the range where we could have planned this double entry on double top kind of pattern. And now, as we see from this area, massive selling came, so this could be a possible range where we could plan a sell trade on 1 hour time frame. So yeah, this could be the possible area. If we see a double top kind of pattern forming right here, we could plan a trade right straight away. So that's it for Ethereum. Let's head on to XRP. XRP on daily time frame, if we see, just tapped this demand zone right here and took out its previous lows, and also it formed a really good bearish candle on daily time frame. Also, it is having a good wick below, showing a good uh, strength. downside for the buyers on this demand zone as when as the demand zone got tapped, it just reversed really well. So as we if we see on 4 hour on 4 hour as well, it's forming a good reversal candle right here. So let's see on 4 hour as well. If you see, it just took this below lows and it's trying to reverse. But for now, it's totally bearish. So we would be planning sells on this uh, supply zone. And again, this is the possible. And if you see on early time frame, we could mark this level as a range for double top kind of pattern. But as the market was really bearish yesterday, so we could mark this zone for sales. Also, that's it for XRP. Let's head on to BNB coin. BNB also right here tapped its demand zone and forming a really bearish candles on daily time frame, uh, having a rejection from downside and having a good wick below this demand zone. So let's see if it sustains above this demand zone or not, or it would be a reversal for BNB as it's trying to form a double top or M pattern right here on daily time frame. And let's head on to 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame as well is trying to be bearish and change in the trend, but if it sustains these levels, it could be bullish again or in a consolidation phase. So this could be the possible supply zones for BNB. And if you see on 1 hour time frame, this could be the possible range for the double top kind of pattern for a trade to be executed, or this could be the possible extreme area as the market is totally extremely bearish. So this is the last area where we could plan a sell trade if any pattern forms. So that's it for BNB. Let's head on to Solana. Solana also tapped its demand zone and crossed its demand zone and trying to sustain its demand zone, showing a wick formation. And but thing is, it's a bearish candle closure. We are assuming this next candle to be forming a kind of bullish, so that it shows some strength on this demand zone. And uh, if it doesn't respect this demand zone, it would come up to this demand zone, and this is the ultimate main demand zone for Solana coin. And let's see if it sustains this level or continues sell off right there on daily time frame. So on daily 4 hour time frame, these are the possible supply zones. And this was a trade, previous trade, and how crazily the markets are being bearish right there. Okay, sorry. So on 1 hour time frame, only this could be the possible level for selling on Solana coin. So that's it for Solana on 1 hour time frame as well. It's totally bearish, so only sells and no buys till any kind of structure forms. So let's head on to Dogecoin. Dogecoin, it's totally bearish as we talked earlier, and it again closed bearish candles, but showing some rejections from behind lows and forming a good wick downside. So it could possibly look like this. It's showing rejection and going up, and then following the downside trend. So let if we see on 4 hour time frame, so on 4 hour time frame, it's kind of weak selling could be seen, and this could be the possible supply zone for us for now. We would be looking for prices to come up to this level for our selling to be continue. On hourly time frame, if we see, this could be the possible ranges where we could plan for some sells on 1 hour time frame on the pattern kind of double top pattern forms, so we could sell on these levels. That's it for Dogecoin as well. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please do share, like, subscribe to our channel. And also, if you want further updates on trades and where we are entering, exiting the trades, please do follow up on Instagram and Telegram for all the timely updates. And thank you so much for watching.